Hello everyone, welcome back. We're out of the range again today. This is not the same shirt that you've seen in like the last 3 range videos. These are all different times, different days. I swear, wouldn't lie to you. But we're out here today to look at my SD9VE. Now I know a lot of you were hoping for this and I gave you that damn Mossberg video instead. And you've waited this long. So now here we are out here with the SD9VE, and as usual we're shooting the Fiocchi, the American Eagle, and the North Georgia Firearms reloads. And again, shut up about it. They were 80 bucks for 500 rounds. Just shut up. They're almost gone and you won't have to bitch about it anymore. So let's get it loaded up, see how it shoots, see how this terrible trigger is. Alright, so I got 2 magazines loaded with 10 rounds, 2 magazines loaded with 15 rounds. This is the Fiocchi. Wow, that trigger is heavy. Well, it rained well, but man is that trigger heavy. That is not a trigger you want to go to after you've been shooting a SIG 226 or a Beretta 92. If you're going to carry this, you better get some time behind this trigger. Get used to this trigger. Alright, now we're going to do the American Eagle 50 rounds. And again, it's 10 rounds in 2 of the mags and 15 rounds in 2 of them. Alright, now we're on the North Georgia Firearms reloaded ammunition, 15 rounds in each magazine. We'll load up our last 25, switch over to the self-defense ammo, and finish it out. Alright, we've got our last 25 of the North Georgia Firearms and Ammunition. Then we'll switch over to the Sig Sauer V-Crown 124 grain jacketed hollow point. Run that 16+1 in the Sig Sauer, make sure it functions fine, then this will be ready for cleaning and to put into service. So there was our all our test rounds. The North Georgia Firearms and Ammunition, the reloaded stuff, ran it in 4 different guns, 100 rounds in each. Didn't have a single failure with any of that, so that's a plus. Like I said, it was 80 bucks for the box. I bought it at the local gun show, so it was 80 bucks plus my entrance to the gun show, but it is what it is. So we'll load this up with the 6 Hour hollow points, 16 plus 1, make sure they function fine, and then we're good. Alright, 17 rounds, hollow point, 6 Hour. So there you go. There was the range video for the Smith Wesson SD9VE. It's reasonably accurate. Anything I missed when I was trying is probably me. Don't like that trigger. That trigger is heavy. Other than that, I mean, it shoots well. It's a little warm. Don't like the Glock style takedown. I always have an issue with them. That's me. But it's not bad. Not bad. And I didn't have any issues. Didn't have any failures with it. So this will get cleaned up. Go into the rotation of stuff that's actually loaded. I doubt I'll ever carry this. I would prefer to carry my SIG that has night sights and chambered in the 357 SIG. That's my everyday carry. And if I'm going to carry it for every second matters, no, I got other stuff I'd rather carry for that. So this will be a around the house self-defense gun. I am confident in it now that I've fired my test round through it and my self-defense ammo, that I have no problem loading this up and keeping it around the house. So hope you liked it. Like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay armed, stay vigilant, stay safe.